Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Amazon to buy any of the name brand laser engravers in the thumbnail here. If you didn't know, this is where you can buy many different lasers from. There may be a little bit of a premium on it, but you might have faster shipping times, and there is a couple tips and tricks I wanted to show you guys if you do want to order it from Amazon versus the actual company itself. That could potentially save you some money or add some extra warranty that you didn't know about. So let's jump into this. First up, here's the Glowforge. This one is on Amazon. All I did was go to Amazon, type in Glowforge, and then it was right here on the right. So with Glowforge here, it is a little bit higher than buying it directly from Glowforge. You can't really use a referral credit on this one. But what you can do is if you add it to the cart here, you'll see this 4-year protection plan. So this is a lot more warranty or protection plan than you can buy from Glowforge, from my understanding. So just a heads up on that. If you want like a different protection plan, you can go through this. And the cool thing about this is I've heard people who bought theirs from Amazon that went through this protection plan here. They've just got a whole new unit versus getting a refurbished unit, and they didn't have to pay that extra $1,300 or $1,600, whatever it is that Glowforge has been doing. So just a heads up on that. That may have changed, but that's what I've seen recently. Just in the past 2 weeks or so, somebody said that they've done a claim like that. So that might be more beneficial to you in the long run to protect your laser for a very long time, especially since tubes last usually about 4 to 5 years. So your laser tube may run out. So that's one benefit of buying it on Amazon. So if you like that, that is a possibility. Next up, we got the brand new P2 laser from X Tools that just came out. They've got 15 left in stock on Amazon. And then another cool tip here I wanted to show you guys. You can apply a $500 off coupon. I know they have discounts on their website as well. Right now, I don't know what their shipping times look like, but it looks like you can get them as fast as August 2nd on here. But yeah, just a heads up on that if you'd prefer to do it through Amazon with their return policy and everything. And then you can get the $500 off of that little coupon there. So that's pretty cool. Next up is another X-Tool machine. This is their M1 model. This is like a lower end version, but it's also a popular one that's going around. And then you can get like a little rotary tool with it, and all these items come with it too. Same thing here. You can apply the $250 coupon for this one. And I would assume, let's add to cart. Nope, it doesn't look like they have that extra warranty option on this one. Let's go back to the P2 and try that too. I'm not seeing that extra warranty for P2 either. So it looks like that's just on a Glowforge if you're going to be doing a Glowforge and you're wondering. We'll try it on these other ones too. So this is the GUI Cloud. This is a new like Glowforge clone going around, and I've seen a lot of popular laser engraver people getting some of these for reviews. I don't really know too much about them, but what I did see on videos, it works pretty much just like a Glowforge. They've got the original and the Pro version. The Pro version I think just has the tumbler with it and this extra stuff. So you can get either one of those, and same thing, don't forget to apply your little coupon, and then you can add it to the cart. Same thing with this. I don't see that warranty information for these two either. Next up, we have OhmTech. You may have seen a lot of the different of their laser engravers. This is the one that I found on Amazon here. This is also a brand name that kind of has been thrown around a lot in the laser community. So just a heads up on that. You can get this brand too. You can apply the same coupon. Let's try the warranty status on that. It doesn't look like it has it there either. And lastly, you can also get fiber laser machines on here too. So if you're not looking for a CO2 laser and you want like a fiber laser, they also have diode lasers too. So just keep a heads out on that. I'll go ahead and just add it to the cart one more time. See. Yeah, so it looks like the only one that has the warranty offer is Glowforge there. So just a heads up on that. I wanted to show you guys all the different options that are available. And like I said, if you go back to the search results, just by typing in Glowforge, you can see so many different lasers coming up and different products related to it, like such as materials and stuff. But here's like the little smaller lasers here, little diode lasers. So you can get all sorts of different machines. This is an interesting looking machine. I've never seen this one before. So yeah, there's all sorts of different machines that you can get on Amazon, all in one place here. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoy these one-off videos and interesting little tips and tricks from lasers. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.